Good morning.
All right, good morning from day 17.
Yeah.
Looks like we got a little bit of rain today, but it's a shorter hike, so under 13 miles.
It's not super cold.
Yeah.
It's very nice. We had a beautiful sunrise. I don't know if you can move your hair.
It's almost covered up by the rain clouds now. But yeah, it's going to be a nice day as far as hiking goes. Elevations just over 3,000 total for the day, 3,300 or something.
Yeah.
We've been doing over 4 and up to 6, so this isn't too bad.
Yeah.
We do have a big climb at the end, up over 6,000 feet, and then down to the shelter for the evening.
Yeah.
So just under 13 miles. It's about 8:30, and we're going to get started with it.
Let's do it.
All right.
We came upon some ice. So, taking a little detour. That was the first ice we've seen, huh? Thumbs up.
Well, since the ice goes back into first week.
Oh, yeah, that's true. I forgot about that. Yeah. First ice in the Smokies.
Well, this is typically one of the best views on the Appalachian Trail here at Charlie's Bunion. However, today it's a little bit, we'll call it rainy. So we're not gonna head out there because we don't want the potential for falling rocks to be potentially us falling down the rock. So we're gonna get on down trail.
Let's go. Today's episode of What Do You See in the Tree? Mossy face. Oh. That's why they call them the Smokies. That's how they got its name. So we just cameled up at that tiny little trickle and let it fill our bladder and bottle while we ate lunch, and then suited up for the rain. And then look who decided to show up. Mr. Sun is coming out. Well, here we go. We had a little blue blaze off the trail, so we're getting back on trail. And we got about 5.25 miles until our shelter for the evening. Tri-Corner Knob is where we're sleeping tonight. Guess what?
We're 1/10 of the way there, baby.
1/10.
1/10 of the way there. Now, I don't want to go back that way and do that 9 more times, but I'm willing to go that way.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Is it day 17? What day?
Day
is
17.
Day 17, 10th of the way.
10th of the way.
Let's go.
Here we go.
This feels nice on the feet. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Looks like a massacre.
All right, that's the high point of the day. I'm gonna drop the name and the elevation down here for you.
It's not on far
it's
out.
It's not on far out, and we can't remember it, so I'll put it in there. But it's up over well over 6,000 feet, and now we're got a little bit of a notch we got to go up again, but we're down pretty much to the shelter. So about a mile and a half left, and we'll be calling it a day. Yeah. This rainy.
We finished the highest point of the day, which is our 4th and biggest climb of the day.
Yep.
So it's kind of all downhill.
Feels good. Terrain-wise, if this wasn't wet, this wouldn't have been too bad at all. The grade was pretty good.
Yeah.
Just slick rocks and stuff, so you have to be real careful where you're stepping and all that. So, but overall, feeling all right.
Yeah.
We'll get into camp a little bit early and
get to bed early.
Because we got a long day tomorrow. Yeah. So we're gonna get on down trail.
Let's go. The fuzz, this stuff is for you, man. We even doubled up on ridiculous rocks and added a stream to the trail. I know you want to be out here with us. Smells like a fire.
Well, homies, we are home. Hey!
There's our Smokies Tramley. What's up, y'all?
So we have settled into our shelter for the night, and yeah, it's actually rain's held off a little bit, but I think it's supposed to rain tonight a little bit on us. But we're all secured in our shelter.
We're pretty dry. We're
dry. Yeah, full bellies, and yeah, gonna get some sleep tonight. because we're gonna start early tomorrow, because tomorrow we're leaving the Smokies.
Woohoo! Wrapping it up. 17.3
yeah,
to get out of the Smokies.
Yeah, today we did just shy of 13, and tomorrow is a 17-mile day.
Yeah.
And the only other way to break that up was for us to do 20 today, and with the rain, that was just impossible. So tomorrow we're gonna do 17 to get out, a little over 17, and that'll put us down to interstate, and that'll be a wrap on the Smokies.
Yeah.
So
Pretty cool.
It's been a fun run through here. We've had a good time, right, with just our little Smokies family that we've had, Tramley that we've had for the past few days.
Past 200 miles.
Yeah. Really for the past 50 or so that we've been.
I'm saying we passed. We
made it past.
200.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
I think that we've had it.
Like a mile marker. I'm saying like
Gotcha.
the cool mile markers
Yeah.
for the Smokies. Yeah.
Yeah.
Highest point on the AT.
Yeah, I got to
which is highest point in Tennessee.
1/10 of the way there in distance.
Yeah.
So yeah. Been
fun.
a fun Smokies section.
Yeah.
So tomorrow we wrap up the Smokies, and we're gonna get some sleep and get all cozy up in our sleeping bags and get some rest.
Good night.
So we'll see you tomorrow. Good night.